Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to new videos. Khalid bin Saleh. So here one of my students present here with me and we are making video and we would like to inspire the young generation, right? They are just depressed, they are upset about their life. So Sunny has completed one of course which is related about spoken from English therapy. So I'm going to ask him some questions. Sunny, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm welcome here. How about you?
Yes, I'm doing incredible. So you have completed your course. Can you please share about your feelings within 1 minute?
Yeah, of course. Right now I'm feeling well, and you know that I'm not able to speak English properly, but I have confidence to speak English. Some of people,
Yeah.
different types of people. No, doesn't matter about which type of people I wanna talk about them. And English, actually, English need for our life. Without English, not possible to communication another people, abroad countries people, or English actually need for get job, good job, right?
Yes.
So right now I'm very happy to speak. Right now I'm able to speak English, so I'm very happy. Actually, I don't have any word to show my romanticism.
My God. So আমাদের গ্রামের মধ্যে কয়জন পড়ে? How many students
Yeah.
they are able to speak English? Do you know?
First of all, Khalid bin Saleh.
Yeah.
In front of you is my teacher, and also Mahmoud bin Saleh.
Yeah.
And second and third one is Limon.
Yes.
Limon, he is my friend also, and I don't know. I'm not able to.
Okay,
Three
so-
person are able to. They are good at English in our village.
Yes.
But right now I'm trying. Actually, I'm trying to learn.
জ্ঞানী লোক always they think their self সবসময় নিজের ছোট মনে করে প্রকাশ করে এক্সপ্রেস করে, রাইট? সো সো সানি ইজ ওয়ান অফ দেম। সো অলরেডি চারজন আমরা আছি, রাইট? চারজন আমরা কথা বলার চেষ্টা করছি। উই আর ট্রাইং টু স্পিক ইংলিশ ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ দ্য পিপল অ্যান্ড when we have time we are just inspiring the young generations to learn English, to speak English. Job is waiting for you. One day, inshallah, today or tomorrow, you will be getting good job, inshallah.
Actually, in village,
Yeah.
in village, some of people actually they don't understand that
Yeah.
English how much important in our life.
Yes.
But this people, this
Yes.
person, if they will go like another side,
Yes.
they will understand actually what is
Yes.
life. What is
And the city will be
English?
suggested to
Yeah,
Dhaka city.
Yeah, of course.
Dhaka is the capital city, so that's why everybody they are very anxious about the
before
future.
going there, I'm really hard. I don't like to go Dhaka city.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but after going there, actually my mindset totally changed. Their
course.
people, their thinking level actually too much different. Okay, so actually it gives me motivation as well as my friend circle,
Yeah.
as well as my teacher.
Yeah.
They're really good.
Oh my God! So thank you so much for sharing your journey with us, and we are really happy to have a speaker like you. You are going to.
I'm trying to speak like you.
No, actually, yes, I am trying to improve myself so that my students can take inspiration from me.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we all should do good things for ourselves and for the people of our country. So thank you. So we are having a partner, English partner like you. You are going to be Aguni speaker. You are going to be rocket speaker.
But there is something wrong with my speaking level. People, you are pray for me.
Yeah,
because-
absolutely. So as a teacher, it's our duty, I think. I think
Yes, yes.
we always want that our students can do better performance than us. All the teachers, not only me. So thank you very much.
Right now, Azan is going on.
Yes, so we have to stop now.
Yeah.
And okay, till then you are doing good. We are expecting that. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.